This is an insane piece of technology that has generated me over $4,000 in 1 month, which can potentially be the future of art AI generation and article writing. Take a look at this. Enter one simple term, such as explain quantum computing in simple terms. Click on send, and this ChatGPT bot will automatically write an article for you within a couple of seconds, type it out for you completely for free. There's no free trial, no credit card needed. You can use these articles created by ChatGPT to get listed in MarketWatch, the Daily Herald, 21 News, Fox News, the Buffalo News, Daily News, Fox 43 News, Nebraska Channel, many other news websites that are getting millions of visitors every single month that will now be seeing your article in the news headlines to generate you hundreds of dollars of commissions and affiliate sales every single month. But what you need to know is how to plug in your affiliate products into these articles that ChatGPT is now generating for you and actually convert these viewers into sales. Make sure you stick around because this is going to be a great banger to start off 2023 on how to make money online and how to start your own successful AI generation online business. I've already got the exact same product that you are allowed, and I'm giving you permission to do this, to copy and paste from my strategy. You need to come over to clickbank.com. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I talk about this website a lot. This is one of the biggest gold mines on the internet to make money online. If you have not signed up on this website, click on start here on the top right hand side. If you already have, click on login now. I'm going to quickly sign in with my account and meet you on the dashboard and show you the exact product. Once you've signed in, click on the marketplace option on the menu bar. You will see a page that looks like this with all the various different products and categories that you can go and promote. But I'm going to skip all of that. All you need to go and search is Video Marketing Blaster. Click on enter. The first product, Video Marketing Blaster, ranks videos on the #1 page of Google and YouTube. I've personally used this tool myself in promoting my own videos on YouTube, and it works really well. There's many keywords that I'm now ranking on the first page of Google and YouTube, driving a lot of views and traffic to those videos, getting tons of views, revenue, affiliate commissions, and all sorts of ways that you can monetize your content. You're not going to be creating any content. You're not going to be making any videos on YouTube. This is just what the tool is for. So don't worry about that. All we need to know is how to promote this tool with the way that I'm going to show you and generate $19.39 every sale that you make, once off commission, and then after that, $10.55 every month thereafter. The reason why I love this product is because it's a great product, high quality, that actually works, tested and proven, and it brings in that passive cash flow every single month. The #1 thing I always tell people that want to start affiliate marketing is choose and focus on a product that provides passive monthly cash flow instead of a once-off commission that you have to promote over and over again. So what this means is if you refer, for example, me to this tool today, a year from now, you will still be earning $10.55 every month from my referral and subscription to this particular product. That is what you call reoccurring rebill, or a passive cash flow every single month from your affiliate product. Click on promote on this tool, click on create top link, and over here it will create your unique link that you need to go and use. And every time someone clicks on this link, ClickBank knows this product is now connected to your account, so it knows to send you the commissions every time you get a sale through this link. Click on copy, open up Windows or Apple or your phone and just type in a notepad, paste your link, leave this over here. We're going to minimize this because we're going to come back to this and use this later. To get these quality AI generated articles, come over to openai.com, also known as ChatGPT. Click on Try ChatGPT on the home screen. This tool is a model called ChatGPT, which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT users to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests, symbolizing a model to instruct GPT, which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide detailed response. That response being professionally written articles generated by this tool. Click on Try ChatGPT on the bottom side of this website, and it will take you to the page where you need to log in. I just connected my Google account, and it will take you to the chat that looks like this. So take a look at this. It gives you a couple of examples. For example, got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? If you enter this into the chat and you click on send, it's automatically going to type out, sure, here's a movie marathon, pick your favorite movies, and have a movie marathon in the comfort of your home, host a theme party, go on an adventure, such as a trip park, theme, museum, having a good day, having a game day, doing fun activities, and it will just basically give you ideas for perhaps your 10-year-old's birthday. So you can really run ideas on anything. You can open up as many chats as possible. You just click on new chat on the top left-hand side, and you can get information and responses on anything that you ask this tool. So if I come over to this tool and type, write me an article on video marketing blaster, and I click on send, take a look at this. Within a couple of seconds, it's already starting to write for me. Video Marketing Blaster is a powerful tool for businesses looking to reach their audience and promote their products and services. One tool that can help with this is Video Marketing Blaster, a software that allows users to easily create and optimize videos for social media and other platforms. One of the key features of Video Marketing Blaster is its ability to analyze and optimize videos for specific keywords. By identifying the most popular and relevant keywords, businesses can ensure that their videos are more likely to be discovered by their target audience, etc., etc. This article is simple enough. Go and copy this entire article. You want to go and open up Microsoft Word or WordPad. I'm just going to use the default Windows WordPad. I'm going to paste this over here, and within a couple of these paragraphs, you just want to type the following text: Video Marketing Blaster launch webinar. Click on colon, and all you want to go and do is open up your notepad, copy your affiliate link, come over to Google again, and go and search up bit.ly, which is a website that you can go and shorten your URLs and just make your link look neater. On the dashboard of bit.ly.com, click on create new, click on create link, paste your destination URL, and for your short link, you want to type here Video Marketing Blaster. Let's just remove that equal dash webinar, for example. Click on create, and it will create you this entire short link. So if you go and copy the short link, come over to your article in WordPad, paste your link, and let's actually go and paste this at the end of this article over here. Now our article is complete, and I'm going to show you a total of 3 different platforms, ranging from a free platform to a more basic paid platform to actually getting listed in some of the biggest websites and news article websites in the world. So you can start off small. You can either come over to a website such as medium.com. You can go and click on right on the top right hand side, click on start writing. You can go and copy and paste this article into medium.com, which will also rank your article on Google and search terms on Google that you pop up in search rankings. All it's going to do is it's going to ask you for a title and your article. For the title, you can go and type something like this: New Video Marketing AI Tool Changing the Lives of Many Content Creators. This can be a perfect title of your article, something eye-candy, catching, that grabs especially content creators' attention. Come back to Google. Once you've posted on medium.com and you're getting a bit of traction, maybe getting 1 or 2 sales a month, you can start off small and use the income from these free article publishing platforms to come over to Fiverr.com. Just click on Fiverr on Google, go and search up article publish. Click on search, and over here people are charging anywhere between $10 and $160 to get your article posted in some featured article websites, such as New York Weekly, Hudson Weekly, The American News, Washington Mail, Ritz Herald, all sorts of article publishing platforms where you can go and post this article that you've now generated. So this is step number 2. It is going to cost a fee of anywhere between maybe $10 and $200, but it is definitely a great investment into your business and into your article writing brand, promoting these various different affiliate products on ClickBank. Secondly, my number 1 way that I used to do this to make 4 figures in a month, I came over to a website called brandpush.co, which is a place where you can get published on their network of over 200 influential news websites that receive hundreds of millions of visitors every single month for a massive boost in exposure and search rankings. If you go and click on See Websites, they post your article on MarketWatch, Bazinga, Digital Journal, AZ Central, 21 News, Fox News, The Buffalo News, Daily Herald, News Channel Nebraska, and many other news articles. All you need to go and do is click on Order Now on the sales page or the home page, I recommend click on the starter page, simply because the plus and the pro page, the only difference is they write the article for you, but remember, you've already got your own article ready to be uploaded. So you don't need to go and get the plus or the pro package. All you need is starter package, click on order now. As you can see, it's a price of $195, and your article will then get listed in all of these news article websites that they offer. So for example, click on your name, you can go and type your name. So for example, Jeff Roman, you can go and type your email address, for example, my email at gmail.com. For your website URL or social media link, you want to go and add that same affiliate link that you've included in your article. Come back to brandpush.co, paste this as your URL, and over here you can click on next. Make sure you select popular news websites, which is over 200 plus news sites, including Digital Journal, Fox, US Today, and Google News. Click on next again. Click on next again. Over here, you need to go and upload your own article. So all you're going to do is you're going to go and click on File, Save As, Rich Text Documents, and you want to go and save this on your PC somewhere. I'm just going to save it to my Downloads folder. Click on Browse and go and upload that same document. Finally, click on Next again. Enter your brand name. This would be Video Marketing Blaster. For your contact information, you can just type your own personal information. Click on Next. It's then going to take you to the checkout, and in a couple of days, you'll be in contact with one of their writers, and they will list and maybe help you rewrite your article and publish it on all of these news websites. And remember, because your affiliate link has now been plugged into your article, it opens up millions of people being exposed to your affiliate link, which is potentially hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more with particularly affiliate marketing, video marketing blaster, various ways to promote your own affiliate products with winning high profitable strategies just like this one. I'm going to give you my entire affiliate marketing course on YouTube completely for free. This includes over 300 videos of my best affiliate marketing videos that I've been doing full time off of YouTube in the past 3 years, compiled into one simple playlist for you to watch on YouTube. So what I recommend is, if you want to get your hands on this playlist, leave a like on this video, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on, comment down below you're ready, and I will put that playlist somewhere over here on the screen. So what I recommend you do is click on this playlist. If you can't watch everything now, save it to your watch later and watch it over when you're ready. But click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.